Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Today is Sunday lunchtime and there are already long queues going into the car park at Harbour City. The entire corkscrew, if you like, of these 3 stories is packed full of cars waiting to get into the car park. Why is there a long queue today? Well, it's because Hong Kong's social distancing restrictions have recently been loosened and more people with families are coming out to play. The shopping malls like this one in Harbour City are beginning to fill up with people again and the economy is slowly improving. Harbour City has been smart in using dinosaurs to attract the public. I live over there in West Kowloon and it's only a short hop to Harbour City. As such, I didn't want to drive over and queue up for a parking space, even though having an EV makes queuing up for a car park super convenient and super clean. One thing I'd like to say about the Harbour City car park here is that it affords the most beautiful and scenic view of Hong Kong from a public car park. Where else in the world can you get such a magnificent view? You can see the Star Ferry and then look out across Victoria Harbour at the iconic buildings on Hong Kong Island. This is the view from the car park looking towards the robotic dinosaur display. This is T-Rex with Hong Kong Island being in the backdrop. The tallest building there is the International Finance Centre, or IFC, where Christian Bale's Batman jumped off. You can also see IMPay's Bank of China building and the cloud-covered Hong Kong Peak Mountain, which is 552 metres above sea level. I think this T-Rex is a little thin, skinny and malnourished. What do you think? Oh, that's me making the content for this video. I hope you enjoyed this fun prehistoric video from the world's most expensive modern city. Please let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and stay safe.